Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Creme Brulee coffee creamer, updated. Start by gathering heavy cream, milk, sugar, vanilla, instant espresso, and a small torch or broiler. I will guide you through making a quick caramel, mixing it with warm dairy, and adding flavor for a smooth, shelf-stable creamer. I share tips on sweetness, storage in the fridge, and reheating so your creamer stays silky and delicious. Gather precise ingredients and prep steps before you heat anything so the process stays smooth and calm. I recommend measuring with kitchen scales for consistency and using room temperature milk to prevent shocking the caramel. While caramelizing, watch the sugar closely because it can go from perfect to burnt in seconds. I explain how to achieve that deep amber color and how to safely combine it with warm dairy for creamy, stable results. When combining caramel and cream, keep heat low and stir constantly so the texture stays silky and lump-free. I will show how to temper the caramel and taste as you go to reach your ideal sweetness and coffee intensity. Small adjustments like a pinch of salt or an extra half teaspoon of vanilla transform the profile. I also cover cooling techniques, straining for smoothness, and best practices for labeling and dating your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.